Normally, we create videos like this from VO3, and here we got around 50 credits for each account every month. But we'll create unlimited videos with VO3. Here, you need to visit this website called ytgen AI. Search in Google, and also you can go over uh, this site Gmail. So it's a temporary Gmail you can use to sign up in this website. You can also use your Gmail, official Gmail as well. So uh, now, after you log in with your Gmail, or you can use the disposable Gmail, you will see a dashboard like this. Now, if you notice clearly here, you got some credits for VO3 Ultra here. But before you claim for a new account, you can see there's some countdown going on. So you must wait for that time. And within this time, you can do the other task that you need to do for this video. Now here you can see we have to download extension here. So while the time countdown, we will download this extension and turn on our Chrome browser developer mode and add this extension to our browser. So you can drag and drop, or if you get some kind of error, so you can just load the packed extension here. Okay, we got it. Now pin it and go back to website, and you can see we still got 2 minutes. So just skip this one, and here you can see we got the username and the password. So you can save the username and password anywhere, and then click on that extension and give the username and password you copy from that website. I noticed that sometime I copy the password, and then again if I try to give the uh, username, the extension got away. That's why I type manually for the password and the username. Now you can see it redirect us to Flow Lab Ultra. And if you notice here, we can here generate from here videos and images as well. And it's from Omni. Okay, let's type a video of a dragon flying over a sea and some war going on there. Okay, and in a cinematic way, then submit your prompt. You can submit any kind of prompt you want for this video, but make sure that here you got this account for 10 days trial. And if you notice in this extension, for each account you will get up to 30 to 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So within that time you can generate as much as video as you need. I mean, unlimited video you can generate within that time. Then if the time period gone, your username and password will also gone. So then again you can claim for a new email and password and create your Flow Ultra account and sign in like this. So let's create another video here. And so this time I'll create the video that we saw earlier, Facebook and YouTube logo animation that fighting each other here. So one more thing, you can download the generated video in the high resolution here. You can see, so it's upscaling. And if you notice, we can also create the video. I mean, this video we can add a prompt that what will be the next scene for this video, you can type this prompt and said, okay, here you can see that at the same time we can generate only two videos. Then after we need to wait for 5 minutes and we can create more videos. Here you can see. So hope you understand. And if you notice uh, anything wrong, or if you think that it's some complex for you, you can comment down below. I will try to help you. Okay. Maybe this okay for you, and you can create unlimited videos with this VO3 Ultra. And if you see that your username and password not working, so it's supposed to be expired, then you can go back to the website and claim your new username and password and then again log in. Okay, so these are videos we just saw earlier, and here our video of that dragon flying over the sky here and the war going on. So you let's create videos unlimited. Okay, bye. See you next time with some other video. Have a great day.